Hello everyone, it's Teresa here from Yes You Can, and today what's for dinner at Teresa's house? Well, she's making a tempeh dish. Tempeh is another form, it's like a tofu sort of a thing. It's a soy protein thing that vegans like to eat. We're going to try this. Now, I can't pronounce this very good because I'm not Thai, but we're making, what's it called? It's a Tempeh Khao Soi dish, which is a Thai soup. Now we're going to marinate the tempeh with all these products: cashew butter, cumin, maple syrup and that. Now I'm going to only marinate that for about probably half an hour to an hour, or probably an hour. The longer you do it, the better. And then all these other things we're going to add. We've got seaweed, we've got mushrooms, shiitake, dried shiitake mushrooms, coconut milk. We're going rice noodles because I want a gluten-free dish today. We're using Flavourista Thai It, which has got onion, garlic, lemon peel, lime powder, lemongrass powder, kaffir lime, leaf powder, chili flakes, basil, chives, glagangi, cumin, coriander, ginger, black pepper and white pepper. Now try and get all those bottles out on the table and see how they fit. It's great to have it in one bag. I'm also putting Nutritional yeast because it's something else that is great for vitamin B for vegans and for anyone that is looking at their health. And yeah, this is the beginning of what we're creating today. So stay with us and see what we do in the kitchen today. Okay, so here, all we've done here is chopped. We've put our ingredients for our marinade together, which, as I said before, is this lot here. Excuse my iPad. And I'm just mixing that together, and we're just going to leave that marinating. This is the tempeh that I was telling you about, for those of you who don't know what tempeh is. It smells really nice. It's quite different because I haven't used a lot of these ingredients before, so this is going to be a very interesting dish for me too. So there you go. But there we go. So that's it. I'm going to cover that and leave it in the fridge while we do something else, and then I'll let you know what we're up to next. Thank you. And here we have the basis of the soup boiling away. We're going to boil this for 15 minutes while I've got a pan heating, and I'm going to fry off the tempeh. Now I have Thai It, and I'm adding 2 teaspoons. This is what this one looks like. Look at this. Into my broth. Oh, if you had only had smell-o-vision here, you would love what you were smelling at the moment with this frying off the tempeh. And here we are, we're mixing in this. You've got no idea what this is smelling like. This is just unbelievable. And the colours are awesome. So, and on top of that, we're going to cook the rice noodles. So here we've dished it up. I've got the noodles at the bottom. I topped it with the soup. I put the fried tempeh on it. And now we're serving it. As you can see, I've got 3 people that are eating. Now this is gluten-free. You do not have to put the nuts. This is just trying to make the dish look nice. And there we have it, the finished dish.